You're watching a short tutorial on how to buy shares of Liberty Broadband Corporation using the query, how to buy shares of Liberty Broadband Corporation. Liberty Broadband is a broadband-related holding company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LBRDA. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker LBRDA to find the listing. Confirm you select the Liberty Broadband Corporation entry to ensure it's the correct stock. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart to check recent movement and confirm this is the correct Liberty Broadband listing. Take a moment to verify the ticker and NASDAQ exchange. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if your account lacks sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed or pending if the market is closed. A soft link to eToro is in the description for reference.